Kia ora tātou. In this video we're going to be looking at mitosis, which is a form of cell division, and its relation to asexual reproduction, and also the other reasons for needing mitosis. So if we think of just a normal body cell in our bodies, and we've got the cell membrane on the outside and the nucleus in the middle with the cell with the DNA inside the nucleus, there will come a time where this cell will divide. So it will produce two new cells with exactly the same DNA inside of them. Exactly the same DNA. So somewhere in this process that DNA has been able to divide itself from the first cell, and then each of these cells now have a copy of the same DNA, so they've got the same instructions to be able to do the same things. This process is what is called mitosis. So if you just pause the video and try and think of one or two reasons why cell division by mitosis might be important, with the resulting cells, the daughter cells, having the exact same DNA. So you might have thought of perhaps growth. So if an organism needs to grow, when we're growing from young people to adults, our cells obviously need to divide. So that is one reason why our cells need to divide, is to grow. If we were to fall over and graze our arms, then we need our skin cells to divide so that we can repair ourselves. So another reason is repair. And those are the two reasons in all animals, or most animals. But some organisms can actually reproduce using mitosis. Asexual reproduction. And so if we were to have a tree, for example, that we really liked, we could take a cutting from it. And then if we do all the right things and put it in soil, then that can grow some roots, and then we will end up producing another tree that has exactly the same information that has been reproduced from that tree. So that is a form of asexual reproduction. So plants can do that. Also bacteria, when that divides, that replicates exactly the same DNA. So each new bacteria cell would have the same DNA, and some fungi as well. And also some insects. So asexual reproduction for some organisms can happen, where there will be a new offspring which has exactly the same DNA as what the parent had. In a future video we'll look at the benefits of asexual reproduction and the disadvantages of it. Thanks very much for watching. In the next video we'll look at meiosis.